Hey, it's Pam Adair, and today is day 11 of my 75-day commitment to video blog daily. I'm out here on my morning walk, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I was thinking that how my walk is so much like my goals. You know, I have the goals that I want to create. Some are small, some are big, but like my walk, if I just stay focused on where I'm going, follow the road there and take another step. So, you know, here I've got I'm going to be making a turn in the road, but I'm going to take another step and another step and another step, and each step is going to get me closer to my destination, closer to my goal, and it's only one step after another. That's all I have to do. You know, sometimes I just want to be there, but you know, if I was just there, I'd miss the journey and I'd miss things like this. I'm just going to stop for a moment here, and it's just so amazingly beautiful out here. And you know, so if I just got to my goal without the journey, without the steps, I'd miss the journey. I'd miss things like this, and I'd miss each step. And so my intention is to just continue to take one more step and one more step, one step after another, until I get to each of my goals, and then I'll just make some new goals. That's my thought for today.